Hello guys, this is Angel HKPH and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video guys, I'm going to share with you on how to cook inihaw na bangus using the air fryer. Okay, so we need to put some salt on the fish. Lagyan natin ng asin guys yung bangus. Ayan, i-marinate natin ng mga ilang minuto. At ilagay natin sa itong glass na pang-oven. Okay guys, so this is the air fryer and we're going to put the fish inside like this. And then we put it back inside the air fryer. And then we set the temperature and the timer. Let's cook it for around 20 minutes guys. Okay, so after 20 minutes let's check it. Okay, it's half done. Maybe we have to cook for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, let's check it again. See if it's already cooked. Yeah, it's okay. So it's cooked now, guys. It's so yummy. It's a bit golden brown now. Okay, so let's make a sauce. I'm going to use a calamansi and a fish sauce or patis. We put around 2 teaspoons or 2 tablespoonful of patis and we squeeze calamansi on it. So yummy guys. We use this to dip the roast bangus or inihaw bangus. It's so yummy. Okay guys, so this is now the outcome of the inihaw na bangus using air fryer. Okay, so this is my rice. It's brownish in color because I mix some oats or the oatmeal on it. Let's eat guys. So yummy. Inihaw na bangus using air fryer. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I hope to see you again in my next vlog. Bye bye.